I'm going to be doing a series of videos on these catalogs. I got a bunch of them, a bunch of old ones. Not only Hot Wheels and Matchbox, but Siku and some others. And they're just fun to look through. And so I thought I'd share this with you. And I'm going to be giving the catalogs away at some point too. But I thought it'd be fun to do videos of what's in here. This one in particular, the 69 Hot Wheels cars and sets, this catalog, I vaguely remember having this as a kid, which is crazy. It's so cool to see this again. You know, it's a real throwback. You know, we're talking a lot of years ago. And so seeing this, and I remember just thinking how cool all the cars looked. And, you know, I mean, the splitting image. I love the splitting image. You know, the twin mill, obviously from the videos I've done, the twin mill holds a special place in my heart, you know, and you know, it shows colors they were available in at the time. At the time, I wasn't big on like the Ford Vicky or the Woody. But, I mean, they're still cool. They were such cool cars. And, you know, the T-Bird, you know, the 57 Bird Spectra Flame, purple and gold, you know, were the colors you could get it in. I mean, my parents we had T-Birds. It's just looking back at this is so cool. Remembering the buttons. It's I don't know what else to say. And I'm probably going to be at a loss of words in a lot of these because I remember the Chaparral. And I have some of these castings that I want to restore. I do have a replacement wing for the Chaparral because I remember losing that as a kid too. You know, the custom Cougar, the custom Mustang. Just cool castings. You know, there's the Silhouette that everybody knows, the Silhouette, and the Diora. I mean, they're cars that made such an impression on me as a kid. And, you know, still to this day, I'm playing with these things. You know, custom Fleet Side. We had an El Camino, you know, the Python, you know, the Beatnik Bandit. I'm going to, as you're probably watching this, you're seeing that I'm enlarging the pictures of the pages to be more of the screen so that you can always pause it if you want to get a good look at any of the pages. And then this, I think one of the biggest things in the catalogs that I've received, looking at them for me, are the old Hot Wheels sets. Because I remember getting these sets. And it's not like I had a lot. I mean, I was very fortunate as a kid. And I know I didn't have like all the sets or anything like that. But I remember having, you know, it's like I remember the gates, you know, and how the checkered flag would fall over the direction of the one that won. And I remember the jumps. And I know that some of those, I know we had picked up separately, but just cool stuff. And in some of the later catalogs, you're going to see things like the Supercharger. And that I remember so well, even to this day. And this is the domestic catalog for here in the U.S. And I do have the international for this year as well. I was fortunate to get some of these catalogs, and I'm really happy with them. It's such a fun throwback. So, and, you know, to such a much simpler time as well. You know, it's just really, really fond memories of those days. Yeah, I remember how the accessory packs, I remember like the trestles and the jumper. I think I got those just in the packs. They weren't part of a set. Some of these things I don't remember seeing at all. like these showcase wall plaques. I don't remember ever seeing those. The adjustable cases, I don't remember those really either. But talk about vivid memory, the rally cases. I actually have 2 or 3 of these rally cases laying around here. And if I was smart, I'd restore one of them. You can get the stickers, replacement stickers for them. I've seen this miniature car case, and I didn't even realize that I just thought it was a generic case of some kind. I didn't realize it was a Hot Wheels issued case. And then whoever had this catalog before, they checked off everything they had and the colors they had, which you gotta love it. So anyhow, that's this catalog, which is the 69 Hot Wheels cars and sets